Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys, but let me go ahead and show you. Oof, it's freezing out. Alright, let me go ahead and turn on my light so you guys can have a better vision. Better vision. You guys hear that? Hear that? How do you... It's like... Oh my gosh. Hey, let's go. You guys hear that? Oh, damn. Oh my god, what? Oh my god, it just put my whole... It's because it rained the other day, guys. Excuse the water. So, you guys hear that? It's doing it again. From right here, right here. I still have the keys in the ignition, so I don't know if I take them out, will it still do this? No, you know what? I think it will still do this because this happened to me the first time it broke down on me. I'm getting flashbacks. It's really hard to tell where it's coming from. I am gonna try to figure out what relay that was coming from. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it again so we can hear that noise. And it's already getting late as hell. I didn't go to the canyons today because I decided to work on Toby. I was like, you know what? As much as I want to go, I shouldn't go because I gotta try to figure out what's wrong with Toby first, you know? So maybe next time. All right. It's not doing it. Suena que tienes que decir, oh, la chida torta.
Estoy comiendo bien rica torta de cheese con jalapeño.
Esto está sonando aquí.
Fuck you, brother.
What?
Fuck you, brother.
She said F Subaru.
Diario echa mecánica en su chingadera de Subaru. Subaru no sirve. Le arregla una cosa, le arregla otra y se friega y mejora el yonke a la basura.
She ain't wrong. So I looked it up and it says that it's a direct solenoid operated 3-way poppet valve. It features a short stroke solenoid, a balanced poppet, and a powerful bit. Let's see if it turns on right now. I hear this little, damn it. I hear this little. It's like a little clicking noise. Whoa, that's weird. It like wants to turn on, but it's like, nope. So, you know how everybody was saying like, oh, check the coils and the spark plugs? Now I'm starting to feel it's more like an electrical problem. Something weird is going on around here. I'm gonna go inside and get myself a sweater though, because I'm freezing. Oh, okay. Check the exhaust. Any smoke coming out? It smells bad. No major smoke coming out from here. Alright guys, now it's actually misfiring. You know how back then it threw on the codes? Now it's actually misfiring. Like I can actually feel it and you can actually hear it. So now I really can't drive it. I keep getting random problems out of nowhere. Something just always wants to go out. It's kind of weird. Like, see how it's misfiring? That's weird. Alright, just jacking it up so we can check underneath and see if the cat glows. I'm getting to a point where I kind of just want to fix Toby up and then sell him because he just gives me a hard time and I don't want to keep dealing with it, you know? I want to have Toby on the road. I don't want to just have him stored up and be fixing him most of the time. So, thinking about just fixing him up, getting rid of him and getting myself my other dream car. Guys, it's been 5 months since I've owned Toby and majority of those 5 months I've been fixing him up and I haven't really had no seat time in him because I've been fixing him up. So I'm thinking about just getting myself my other dream car, making nice and fast. Not too fast, but about maybe 600 horsepower. Least 4 to 5. Yeah, I think that would be super fun. Or just getting myself another car and making that one fast, because I wanted to make this one fast, but I don't see no potential in making this one fast because I feel like I'm gonna spend a lot more money than I want. So if I were to make this one fast, I would want to swap this one out with the STI motor, and I would also want to get a 6-speed transmission. So I don't know if I would want to do all of that just for that when I could just do a cheaper alternative and make it just as fast or faster. So I might just do something else a little bit more reliable. Let's ask Suera if I should sell it. Suera, ¿qué piensas del carro? ¿Lo vendo o no?
Regálenlo.
A giveaway. Ooh, he wants me to do a giveaway, ¿verdad? Coger un nombre. Oh, who gets it? Oh, it's gonna be Patty.
O rifa.
Or raffle. Ooh, should I raffle my car, guys? And I'll just hand over my problem to you. What do you guys think about me raffling this car? That'd be pretty cool. Would you guys actually join if I were to raffle Toby? Raffle yay or nay? That's a good idea, Suera. Raffle or trash? Raffle or trash? It's so hard to keep it. We're waiting to see if the cat glows. It's a waiting game. It's a waiting game. It's not glowing, so that's kind of bad because I was hoping that it was the cat so I could just buy a new one. But it's not glowing. Guys, I see a cute little old lady and it looks like she needs help. So I'm gonna go ask her if she needs any help. Let me see. Do you need any help or are you okay? Oh, you're good? Okay. You're welcome, have a good one. It looked like she needed help. I don't know, I saw her get out of her car and she just walked to her wheel. So I was like, oh, maybe like she got a flat or something. But she's good, she's good. Come here, Baba, come here, Baba, come here. Woo-hoo! Baba the racer. Jump, 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 jump. Woo-hoo! Okay, cool. Baba, your turn. Baba, come here. Come here. Oh, he goes around. Come here, Baba, come here. Come here, Baba. Come here, Baba. Oh. So I got this Cataclean. It is for the fuel injectors, the cylinder heads, what else? And oxygen sensors. So it cleans all of these things. You're supposed to use 2 to 4 times a year. I didn't even freaking know about this, guys. Imagine all the other things that we're supposed to do that we don't know about. Cleans it while we drive. Not sponsored. Warning, warning. Let me read if I have to shake it up. I'm like so used to shaking things up. Cheers to another year. Running on empty, food review. Not gonna cap, it's a little scary adding something to this, but it's pretty normal, so nothing to worry about. No more lactose. Hopefully it clears up the fuel injectors, helps it spray a little better, or I don't know, just I'm hoping that it's gonna do its thing. I'm gonna just let it do its thing. I'm just gonna be revving it because I don't want to drive it around and get stranded somewhere. So I'm just gonna be revving it here for 5 hours until the gas is almost wasted. The car wants to die out. I can hear it. Yeah, you see that? Doesn't want to pass 3K right now. My window so you guys can get a better here. Check out this backfire. Woo! Sheesh! Alright, I'ma chill on it. I'ma chill on it. There we go. I'm staying at 2,000. 5 years later. Now look at it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Please don't turn off. It's wilding out. What the heck? It does it. Oh my god, look, it wants to go to 1. I feel like it wants to shut off. I was doing the same exact thing last time. I even timed that I was here for 10 minutes. Once I was at 10 minutes, like literally right after 10 minutes, it started acting up and it turned off. So it runs fine for a little bit and then after a while, boom, it turns off. Should have timed it this time, but I forgot. I forgot. My car just turned off right now and it backfired again. It backfired twice and then it turned off. Well, the fans are on. I can hear them. The fans are on. You hear them? Weird. It was a huge backfire, guys. And then it just turned off. Oh, it's about to turn off. Oh my god. It did it again. It smells nasty. Oh, it smells so bad. Okay, so that one I did catch on camera. Turning it off. It has a weird odor. Golly! Man, Subie. Got my clay model. So today's emoji of the day is going to be the smiley with the tear, because that is how I feel when I see Toby out there in the wilderness. Thank you guys so much for making it to the end. If you guys go ahead and comment that emoji down below, then I'll comment RO signifying real one, because you're a mother freaking real one. Patreon shout out goes out to Chino, and post notification shout out goes out to Hashim. Thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Have a good one and make the year great. Peace out.